Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for another update on the Anfield Road expansion. So I was just walking up Anfield Road. I walked up here today. It was raining at first, but it turned out to be a nice day. So I was just walking up Anfield Road. I saw these guys going up on this lift. It's called a scissor lift or something, is it? So a little bit of footage there, and I'll zoom in and see what they're doing. I thought it was taken up to the roof, but it's obviously not. They're just on there, but I didn't quite see what they're doing, so I'll zoom in. Yeah, they're planning something. That a bit loose. That's interesting to see. Okay. I wish I could pick up what they were saying. You'd be able to find out then. But yeah, if anyone hasn't seen, I've got a friend who's working on site at the moment, and he has sent me some videos, so I've put them up in a separate video because he sent me about 9 videos. So we'll have to flood it on this video. I'll put a little clip on here now of what he's what they're up to inside. But yeah, just check out the other video of all the clips. Get a little bit round and I'll zoom back in on them. And let's see from this angle. Yeah, they're just secured, aren't they? But why does it look like it's sticking out? I'll move my microphone down such in case it's rubbing. 1 second, guys. Back again. I had a little bit of trouble with my microphone there, sorry. So here's a piece that they prepared earlier. Let's just have a little look at this, see what they're doing with it. Sorry if I'm quiet, guys. I'm trying to work out what they're doing. I can see that they're slotting it into the other piece, so the corrugated fits into each other. I see what they're doing now. So they're going to secure that so it goes all the way and flush with the top of the roof, and then they're going to cut it, obviously. Right. That's not going to take a few seconds, so I'll come back to that in a bit. That's good to see. Bring myself down and have a look at this brickwork here, because I can see from here that it's coming on quite a bit. That's definitely getting higher. Then we'll have a look at what's going down in these windows here. Sure, I can see. No, I can't see people. See what's going down here instead. That's the entrance into the work site. It's funny how you have to stay to a route in it, but you know, with all this machinery but moving around, it just makes sense. Okay. Because the rain stopped coming down about half an hour ago, so an hour ago, something like that. So maybe stuff couldn't get done because the rain. Now they're jumping back on site. So we'll come round to here now where it's more's getting revealed. But there's a long window there that they've got like on the main stand. Yeah, you're not going to see it from here. So when I'll come back round in a bit to see what those guys are up to, because I can see them from the grounds here. So I'll have a look what's going on here. The brickwork. But yeah, that window. There's my zone there. I wonder if I can see inside that window. I can't, but there's not much to see. Yeah, but yeah, as you see, the brickwork's revealing more and more as the scaffold comes down. So I'm going to take myself a little bit higher now. Zoom right out. See these last two over the roof. Well, on the roof. Right. 65 metres in the air. More roofing to go down there, and obviously join onto this bit here. So that's what's going to be going on there. Okay. Oh, look at him right on the edge. And I'm going to get myself much higher. There we go. Sorry for the erratic flying, guys. I just like to get places fast. I want to see what he's up to there. You know what? I wouldn't do that job for all the tea in China, trust me. Especially if I could see through it. Know exactly where I'm going to fall. That's unreal, that. I'll try and come round a touch. We'll need to avoid that crane, so I'm going to come around the other side of the crane. There we go. Right. So you can get a better view of what he's doing. He's secure, isn't he? Yeah. Drilling holes, making sure that roof's secure to the beams. Okay. Saw a couple more lads down here somewhere. There they are there. They're probably doing something, yeah they are, they're doing something similar there. Working away like the doozers off Fraggle Rock. Okay, there's not much going on there. There's someone walking on there. That's madness. Fair play to them, fair play to them. I couldn't do that job. No, not like I'm scared of heights. I used to be scared of heights until I jumped out of an airplane on a parachute jump, but working at that height for a long period of time, I think it freaked me out a touch. Yeah, there's a couple more lads there. Let's see what these are doing. Quite a lot going on the roof here today. Okay. I'm going to bring it back round. Oh yes, I want to say thank you to everyone as well. When I put that audible message, that message that I got last time, the amount of love I've been shown is unbelievable. And people say, well, how come you only show the bad ones? Because they're very rare. You know, I'm shocked. It's shocking when I get one. I'm like, wow, got a bad one. It's like a big surprise because I get that many good ones. If I done a video about how many good ones I get, the video will be on for like 2 hours. It'll be 2 hours long. So look, I appreciate everyone's support. It wasn't a pity party, by the way. I wasn't feeling sorry for myself. It was just, it was more to shame him, if you like, for his shitty message. But yeah. Right, so I'll get back down and have a look at these. I'm up to if they've moved on anymore with what they were doing. But yeah, no, thank everyone for all the support on that. It was thank you. But really, I wasn't looking for pity. Right, what are these up to? Oh, they're going back down. So it's been measured, it's been cut. Okay. So in my next video, I'll go straight to that and see what they're doing. Let's have a look at these down here. Is that people? No, it's not. The joys of looking on phone. Slightest thing looks like a person. It's like when I done my last video and I said he's using a glue gun. It went as an angle grinder, but because I'm looking on such a small screen, I couldn't work out what it was. I thought it was a glue gun, and someone said I'm not sitting in that stand if it's getting glued together. Right, guys, that's about it then. Quite a lot going on the roof. There's a lot I haven't covered because I don't want the video to go on too long. So yeah, thanks for all the support from everyone. If you like the channel, please subscribe. As always, comments and likes are always appreciated. I love them. I like reading them. I reply to 99.9% of them. If they require a reply, I'll reply, basically. Some don't require a reply, so I give it a like, I give it a heart, and it gets left at that. But yeah, I love the comments section. It's a great community that I've got here. You know, you're all brilliant. So apart from that, guys, look after yourselves. Thank you for everything, and I'll speak to you all soon.